The neck is one of the first places to give away your age. It's exposed to the sun and other damaging environmental factors, but rarely receives the love and attention it deserves. For noticeable results without a procedure, InvonkYou-Skin's 7-color face and neck device is one of the most powerful non-invasive tools on the market. Created by a team of scientists and dermatologists, LED light therapy reduces fine lines and wrinkles with the push of a button. Elegantly designed for easy use, simply apply after your moisturizer to a clean face, press the power button, select one of the 7 LED light modes, and massage upwards. Our highly developed LED light technology is key to getting professional-grade results. Our device offers 7 light features, making it one of the highest on the market. Each color provides targeted skin benefits, some of the latest in anti-aging skincare technology. Red light reduces signs of aging and improves collagen production. Blue light soothes inflammation and calms sensitive skin. Green light smooths wrinkles and fine lines. Purple light promotes circulation and lymphatic drainage. Yellow light improves skin texture and pigmentation. Cyan light calms irritated skin and kills the bacteria that causes acne. And white light relaxes skin and accelerates growth and healing of skin cells. Our customers see tightened jawlines, improved skin texture, and fewer wrinkles and fine lines. Invest in your long-term skincare. Pair your existing routine with this revolutionary device and improve your skin's appearance more than you ever thought possible.